What is a Nintendo account sign and ID, and how do I create one?
Hello, gaming enthusiasts. Today we are going to talk about something quite vital for Nintendo users, the Nintendo account sign in ID. This is your unique identifier when logging into your Nintendo account. Let's delve right in and understand how to create one.
What is a Nintendo account sign and ID?
The Nintendo account sign in ID is an essential part of your Nintendo account. It is a unique identifier that you will use to log in to your Nintendo account across various Nintendo services and consoles. The sign in ID can be your email address, username, or a social media account depending on your preferences.
Why do I need a Nintendo account sign and ID?
A Nintendo account sign in ID is vital as it connects you to the Nintendo universe. With this ID, you can access various Nintendo services such as the Nintendo eShop, gain access to online gameplay on Nintendo Switch, obtain news and updates about Nintendo products, and much more.
How to create a Nintendo account sign and ID?
Creating a Nintendo account sign in ID is simple. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Go to the Nintendo account creation page on your browser. 2. Enter your date of birth and click Submit. 3. On the next page, fill in your details including your name, country, region of residence, and email address. 4. Choose a unique nickname. This could serve as your username for the Nintendo account. 5. Set a strong password for your account, ensuring it meets Nintendo's password requirements. 6. Verify your email address. Nintendo will send a verification code to the email you provided. Enter this code on the Nintendo site to verify your email. 7. After verification, you will be redirected to the Nintendo Account Summary page. Here, you can see your Nintendo account sign and ID, which would be the email address you used for registration. Please note that the sign in ID can be changed in the future, but it needs to be unique, so make sure it's something you'll remember. And that's all there is to it. Now you know what a Nintendo account sign in ID is and how to create one. This unique identifier is your key to a universe of Nintendo services and experiences. So, let's get gaming. As always, if you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Happy gaming!